Welcome to our channel, your trusted destination for the latest car reviews, first looks, and deep dives into the most exciting new vehicles in the market. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated SUV releases of the year, the 2025 Volkswagen Tiguan. If you're someone who's been following the evolution of compact SUVs, then you already know the Tiguan has long been a standout in its class. But with the 2025 model, Volkswagen is raising the bar once again, blending modern design, improved tech, and refined performance into a package that's sure to impress fans and newcomers alike. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 Tiguan is its fresh, modern design. Volkswagen has taken a bold step in redefining the exterior, giving the SUV a more premium and dynamic look. The front fascia now features sleeker LED headlights that merge smoothly into the redesigned grille, giving it a more confident and upscale presence on the road. The body lines are sharper, the proportions more balanced, and the overall stance has become sportier, making it clear that this isn't just a simple refresh, it's a proper evolution. From the side profile, the Tiguan now boasts a more aerodynamic silhouette. The wheel arches are subtly flared, and the new alloy wheel options, ranging from 18 to 20 inches, add a touch of aggression without going overboard. Volkswagen has also made improvements to the rear design, introducing sleeker tail lamps with a connected light bar that gives the SUV a modern and cohesive rear-end look. Overall, the 2025 Tiguan feels more refined, more premium, and more in line with the current design language we're seeing across the Volkswagen lineup. Step inside, and the changes are even more noticeable. The cabin has undergone a significant transformation, focusing on enhancing comfort, technology, and driver engagement. High-quality materials are now standard, with soft touch surfaces, ambient lighting, and a more streamlined dashboard layout. The centerpiece of the interior is the all-new infotainment system, which features a larger touchscreen display, available in sizes up to 15 inches depending on the trim, with a more responsive interface and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto included as standard. Volkswagen has also reworked the digital instrument cluster, making it more customizable and easier to read. The layout is clean, the graphics are crisp, and it provides all the necessary driving information without feeling cluttered. There's also an available heads-up display for those who want to keep their eyes on the road while staying informed. The center console has been simplified, with touch-sensitive climate controls and a redesigned gear selector that makes better use of space. When it comes to comfort and space, the 2025 Tiguan delivers once again. Volkswagen has slightly increased the overall dimensions of the vehicle, translating into more interior room for passengers and cargo. The second row offers plenty of legroom and headroom, and it's now even more adjustable, allowing for greater flexibility whether you're transporting people or packing for a weekend getaway. In select markets, a third row option remains available, which is a rare offering in this segment and a great bonus for growing families. Under the hood, the 2025 Tiguan brings a more refined powertrain lineup. In North America, we're looking at an updated 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that produces around 190 horsepower and 236 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, delivering power smoothly and efficiently to either the front wheels or Volkswagen's 4Motion all-wheel drive system. The power delivery feels confident, whether you're merging onto highways or navigating through city streets. And it strikes a solid balance between performance and fuel economy. Speaking of efficiency, Volkswagen has also introduced mild hybrid technology in some variants of the 2025 Tiguan, aiming to improve fuel economy and reduce emissions. This 48-volt system provides an extra boost during acceleration and helps with smoother start-stop functionality, making the driving experience more seamless while saving fuel in the process. For eco-conscious buyers, this is a step in the right direction, showing that Volkswagen is thinking about the future. Driving dynamics have always been one of the Tiguan's strong suits, and the 2025 model continues that tradition. The steering feels precise, the ride quality is composed, and the suspension absorbs bumps effortlessly. Volkswagen has tuned the chassis to deliver a more engaging drive, particularly with the available Sport package, which includes dynamic suspension settings and a slightly lower ride height. Whether you're commuting daily or taking a longer road trip, the Tiguan feels solid, stable, and just enjoyable to drive. On the safety front, the 2025 Tiguan comes packed with a suite of advanced driver assistance features. Standard equipment includes forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. Higher trims add traffic jam assist, park assist, and a 360-degree camera system, making the Tiguan not only safer but easier to maneuver in tight spaces. Another major highlight is the enhanced voice control system. Volkswagen has integrated their latest AI-based voice assistant, which understands natural language commands more effectively than ever before. You can now control navigation, music, climate settings, and even some vehicle functions without ever taking your hands off the wheel. This makes for a safer, more connected driving experience, especially when you're on the move. In terms of trims and customization, Volkswagen is offering a well-rounded lineup. From the well-equipped base model to the sporty R-line trims with their unique styling and performance touches, there's a Tiguan for just about every type of driver. Interior upholstery choices range from durable cloth to high-end leather, and you'll find plenty of optional packages to tailor the SUV to your exact needs, whether you prioritize luxury, tech, or practicality. Cargo capacity has also been optimized. With the rear seats up, the Tiguan offers solid cargo space that's easily expandable with a 40/20 split folding second row. Whether you're loading groceries, sports equipment, or luggage, the Tiguan's wide tailgate opening and low-loading floor make it incredibly user-friendly. Another area where the Tiguan shines is connectivity. Along with the large infotainment display and digital gauges, the SUV comes with multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging, and a premium sound system option. Volkswagen has also improved over-the-air update capability, meaning your vehicle will stay up to date with the latest software improvements without needing to visit a dealership. So, what does all of this mean for potential buyers? The 2025 Volkswagen Tiguan is more than just a facelift. It's a thoughtful, well-rounded update that enhances nearly every aspect of the driving experience. From its bold new design to the improved interior tech and refined driving dynamics, the new Tiguan stands tall in a competitive segment. It's stylish, safe, spacious, and smart, everything you'd want from a modern SUV. If you're in the market for a compact SUV that offers European refinement, practical features, and strong value, the 2025 Tiguan is absolutely worth considering. Stay tuned to our channel for a full in-depth review and driving impressions coming soon, and if you found this introduction helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.